Hi, my name is Joan Sebastian Cardona. This video is the task 1. Okay, go. The first on San Cipriano visit Natural Park. I have visited San Cipriano Park, Natural Park, where I bathed in the river, a camp outdoors. I visit typical food and drink restaurant. I arrived by bus from the terminal of Cali to the entrance of Zaragoza. In Zaragoza, they buy the ticket to travel in the Little Witch, who traveled to the Natural Park. The trip was comfortable and fun. We traveled in the train truck in wood carts. In the park, I went to the pool of crystal clear water along the river. I camped outside in the back of the house, the charger, my only 20,000 for tonight. I went the pool of water, the platinum, with 11 meters of deep. Where the recreative zone end. I did not go to the waterfall because I did the charger. I did get a guide for the trip. It was a relaxing and fun trip to go to the San Cipriano. The people are friendly and cordial. You find typical Pacific food and drink at a very low cost. You can rent equipment to go swimming or simply get swim in the river. It's a natural park that's beautiful. I recommend. Visit to the San Cipriano. Okay, next. My wife and me, I visit the Mocon Sol Mine, located in Cundinamarca, where we toured to the tunnel covered with salt and saw the natural brain mirror and walked in the historical museum. We arrived by car from Bogota to the front of the entrance of the salt mine. It took us around 1 hours to arrive. We bought the ticket and waited for the start of the tourist tour. The car ride was comfortably and fun. It was the first time my wife and me did it. We were in the cave weather part of the movie The 33 Miners was filmed, and we saw the photograph of the original miners. We toured the mine scenes, its decoration, and listening to the history of the site. With archaeological discoveries and figures carved in the saltstone. We did not get to go to the Salt Cathedral, the tourist routes inside the mine and history museum. It was a special and pleasant trip that I remember for a long time, since it was the first trip we made as husband. Thank you.